Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new mini album tutorial. This is a design team project for Country Craft Creations. It is, as I said, a mini album, and the paper is Boulevard from Bo Bunny. It is absolutely beautiful, and of course you can get it at Country Craft Creations. I also used the seam binding artisan cardstock in my favorite navy. And I also used I always forget what it's called. I think it's My Colors cardstock, something like that. And I used the icicle. The color is icicles, and it's so pretty. You'll see it on the inside. And let me go ahead. I also used, these are Graphic 45 flowers. This one's from my stash, but the rest are Graphic 45. This is ephemera. This is from the sticker sheet. So I have the stickers, the ephemera, the chipboard. I only used one chipboard in this album, but I did use chipboard. This is a little Tim Holtz clip, and I think that is about it. There's the spine. It's a 2-inch spine. The covers are 6 by 6. The pages are 5.5 by 5.5. And there's the back. And let's go ahead and take a look inside. So on the inside we have a tuck spot right here. These are cut aparts. And this opens like this, and here's a little tuck. This one the same, and then they open fully, so lots of room for pictures there. Okay, and then in the side pocket we have a Graphic 45 regular tag matted on both sides, and a side pocket insert as well with tabs from the ephemera collection, and these are also matted on both sides. Okay, then the next page is just a pocket decorated with a couple of the stickers, and then in the pocket we have one of these small Graphic 45 cards. We have one of the square Graphic 45 cards, and these are matted on both sides. That there. And then this is one of the large ephemera pieces that's just been folded and matted to form just a little booklet where you could put pictures, and that goes there. And then this flips up, and here you can see the icicles cardstock that I mentioned. It is a linen texture with a soft sparkle to it. It's really, really pretty. And then here we just have a belly band, and we've tucked in some of the cut aparts. I matted some and others I left. And then in this side pocket, they all have the same thing. One of the regular Graphic 45 tags, and a side pocket insert, like photo mat, matted on both sides. And what I did with this album, I mentioned in a couple of my recent albums that I'd been wanting to do one where I didn't do every single page differently, and this is that album. And this is where I begin reversing the procedure back. Now this is not opening flat because of these flowers. If you don't like that, just leave the flowers off. So this flips this way, and there's the icicles again. This flips like this, and here we have some little bookmarks from the cut aparts and from the ephemera, and also one of the little Graphic 45 tags. This little fleur-de-lis is one of the ephemeras, and it's a little frail, so I'm not sure. I maybe should have backed it, but it's fine. And then this is a pocket. Okay, and then that holds that pocket closed. And then this page is the mirror image of that page. Just opens like this with the icicles. And this has a little banner here from the ephemera, and another little side pocket like that. And then this side pocket has another of the tags from Graphic 45, and another of the side pocket photo mats. And go ahead and get that in there. And then here we reverse back. We have the flip up with one of the ephemera pieces on it, with the icicles and the belly band, and this is one of the ephemera pieces, and then we have some of the cut aparts. And in the pocket we have, let me close that, in this pocket we have, let's pull everything out, here's one of the ephemera pieces. We have one of the little graphic 45 tags, one of the cut aparts that's been matted on the navy, one of the bookmarks, and another square tag from graphic 45. And those all go in there. And here's the final set of side pocket inserts. This is one of the cut aparts from the collection. And there's that one. And then we get to the back. We have this little rooster acting as a tuck spot for another of the little graphic 45 tags. And then this opens like this and like that, and I've just put this rose from the ephemera collection, and then on here we have this and that. And again, the book, because of that rose on the front, is not lying flat, but normally somebody would be holding the book, so that would not be an issue. But if it bothers you, just don't add that rose. Okay, and then there's the back cover. It's just got a little bulldog clip to close it, which goes right there. All right, so that is our overview of a mini album using Boulevard from Bo Bunny. I don't have very much of it left, but here we are. You can get this collection. I had 2 sheets of every paper in the collection. I have very little left, but I did make this little recipe wallet first, and there's a video for this if you haven't seen it. So I have made 2 projects with it, but I have very, very little left. I'm down to mostly small scraps. So I had 2 sheets of everything. I had the sticker sheet, I had the ephemera pack, and I had the chipboard. I had seam binding in white and blue and yellow, and these graphic 45 flowers, as well as this little guy from my stash, which was just the right color, so I used that. And again, I used regular square and ATC size graphic 45 tags and dies, but you can make your own. You don't need to make them. You don't need to buy them. You can make tags if you don't have those tags and dies. So I guess that is it. I will be posting the tutorial. It's already recorded, and I just need to finish editing, and I'll start posting it most likely in the next day or so. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join me in making this project. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not already, and if you have, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.